Nigerians in the UK, guess how much the cheapest London to Lagos direct flight is this dirty December? Guess. Just £700. Yes, direct. No Royal Emirates. No self transfer. No transit visa stress. But the date is crazy. Like you wouldn't expect this. For that price, you're flying obviously London to Lagos on the 31st of December. Direct flight to flying this flight here, the Virgin flight. Beauty of this flight is that you are arriving the next morning. So you arrive in time for 2026 for that price. See, even £1 cheaper, 699. I feel like this deal makes sense if you already dirtied your own dirty December in London. I want to, enter Lagos before New Year finishes without breaking the bank. Like, this is your lane. Let me know. Would you take this flight for £700? Comment direct or lie lie. And make sure to follow your girl Sassy Funke for daily cheap flights.